My name is André Sampaio. I'm a co-founder of Creatrix. We are a SOLIDWORKS FAR. A few years ago, we started having a demand from the part of the furniture industry in Portugal that is very strong in the north of the country. We start looking more closely to the solutions that are available on the market, and then we choose SWOOD among others that fits better for the Portuguese furniture industry. There are a lot of shop fit manufacturers in Portugal, general home furniture, special vehicles also. These kind of industries fit very well on the advantage that SWOOD can provide them to automate their development or their design and manufacturing process. We have been invited to automate kitchen furniture customer that was facing a lot of trouble with the existing solution in-house. After a very intensive work, we are now able to say that we deliver the result needed to quickly design a solution for a customer, customize a solution, and manufacture that solution, taking advantage also of the integration with the CNC machines that he has on the plant. We keep having a very good relation with them. They are growing and buying more seats, so I think that says all. I think SWOOD will keep growing very fast. We have to be very careful as a SOLIDWORKS reseller to choose our partners. So they are a golden partner from SOLIDWORKS. We feel confidence. It seems natural for us to choose SWOOD in this market. It's quite good in terms of technical, in terms of commercial. Everyone is very available to help the reseller community. So everything good for us. For sure, we'll keep growing with SWOOD, conquering new customers. I think there is a lot of opportunities to leverage the market in Portugal with this solution. So for sure, we'll grow in this sector also. I recommend SWOOD to all companies that are facing challenge in the furniture market. They should look very serious to this solution. So please take advantage of that.